Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you want to create your images like this, then watch this video till end. And if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my latest videos on AI tools. And one more thing, I tried that on my PC but it doesn't work. So you should have a mobile phone to convert your images to AI art. On your mobile, just open any browser and search for Hugging Face Illusion Diffusion by AP123. And this is the first website. Just enter this website, and here you will upload your image and you can adjust this illusion strength. And just first upload one image, and here you have to write your prompt. And just I am writing sunrise, and no need to adjust any other settings, like there is an option of advanced setting, so no need to change or adjust. Just keep it as it is and click on run. After few minutes your image will be ready, and the good thing that it has no watermark and you can easily download it to your device. So here is the image, and here you can see the option of downloading image. I will click on download, and just you can easily download it. Okay, let's try another image. Let's select this Elon Musk image. As you can see, it is better quality, so I have increased the illusion strength. And this is my prompt: forest with trees, top view, and just click on run. Sometimes there will be an error when you tap on the run, so no need to worry about that. I will be discussing it in the end of this video. Sometimes also there will be an error when you tap on the run, that there are many users, and so just keep tapping on the run until it start creating your image. Similarly, I have tried one more image, and this is my prompt: see top view, and this is the result. And the error I want to discuss is, like, sometimes when your image is generating, it will gives an error, like this one. You can see this here, I got an error, so no need to worry about that. Just try again and it will generate your image.